Welcome. As you know, we are doing many different models of instruction right now. We have in school, we have some people that are going to be at home on some days, we have some people here, we have some people doing virtual every day with me. So if I say Monday, it doesn't mean exactly Monday. I might just say day one. But for my class, it's Monday and Tuesday. We'll be making a choice board, but it may be Thursday and Friday for you, depending on what your teacher is doing. So just make sure you listen closely. And I mostly will just talk about the directions and won't focus much on the days. So, making change is a great way to practice adding and subtracting decimals. So, what we have done is created a choice board. You must pick 3 of these, and Miss Morrison's given you 2 days because guess what? I want some high quality stuff. I don't want something that you did in 5 minutes that looks like you scrabbled, and I'll show you something really cute. But I want you to take your time. I want you to focus. I want you to think about how you're adding and subtracting decimals because this is a review standard. But again, one of the things I want all 5th graders to know when you leave Medora is how to add and subtract money. So you have to pick 3 of these. Doesn't matter which 3 you pick? No. And once you pick them, all you do is add a slide, and that's where you'll put it. So, for example, like this one says, create a game that utilizes making change. Well, think about this. This one is called making change. Play with a partner or two. So they're going to roll 2 dice, and that's how they're going to decide how much money they pay the bank. I think it's a pretty creative game, and they made it with change. And then, as you know, like 60 cents would be 60 hundred. So they may have like $2 or $3. I don't know what they started with 3 nickels, 3 dimes, 3 quarters, and a dollar bill. So, and then they subtract their money. It's pretty cool. That's okay. That's a great game. That's amazing. That's a great way to practice. I would want to play that game. On the right side, that's some scribble scrabble. Just a bunch of scribble that I have no idea what it is. Don't do that. I want to see a good game. If that's the one you choose, I want a good game. I should see adding and subtracting money. You should have rules, and those are the big things. If you have a game board, draw the game board. If you do it on a piece of paper, you just take a picture and add it using your Chromebook or a camera, or however you want to attach that. But that's what I want to see. I don't want to just see some scribbles on a piece of paper because that's not the purpose of this. This is an opportunity to allow you to make a game that uses making change and adding and subtracting decimals. So I want to see some really creative games. Mr. Morrison, could we put that game inside of our backpack? Yeah, if you share it with someone, you're like, Mr. Morrison, I shared this game and I communicated. That'd be a great communicator. So, and there's some other things. Write a song and a poem. You're like, Mr. Morrison, I don't want to make a poem. I don't want to make a song. Then don't choose that one, y'all. So, again, there's some easy ones for some of you. There's some difficult ones. I just want you to pick 3, but they have to be in a row. So you could pick like this one, and this one. And that's, guess what? Tic-tac-toe 3 in a row. But can I do this? No. But could I do that and still do this one and have tic-tac-toe? No, that's not tic-tac-toe. There's no 3 in a row. What about this one? Because, well, you just did 5 assignments and you still did not pick 3 in a row. So, and then you're like, boom. What about no? Like, yes, you have tic-tac-toe 3 in a row, across the top. But again, if you want to do more, that's fine. I'm super excited to see what you guys are creating. Again, look at this one. Make a video teaching a 4th grader how to make change with money. That's super awesome. Mr. Morrison, could we put that in our backpack as a communicator video? Absolutely. Prepared and resilient learner? Absolutely. So again, think about all the backpack artifacts that you can make up to like 3 backpack artifacts off this if you pick the right ones. So again, I just want to see what you guys create. I'm super proud of you, and I can't wait to hear what you guys do.